Pamusoro ivanoti supporter Simba Manyika Friends nemamwe mapromoter Big Things Music, Tree of Peace Dimima ita tishaure nezvepeace
Tinoda pese kunza ngoma wedu save grace ati divaya vanotadza zitakunge fish ukangopurunga wawira mtish chihum
azvineiburitse kuru ambuya amai kana baba mirishongano vakomana vasikana musarova nomusatukana mirishongano.
Simba Manyika is driving an initiative to ensure that no girl goes without sanitary pads, and he has a message to his old community.
Because we want to celebrate you as a girl, and we want to build your confidence.
He's an old boy of this school and witnessed firsthand the impact of the lack of access to sanitary pads on female learners. Many at this distribution organized by Manyika.
Those girls at that stage, in those in the community, in the schools, do actually abscond school as much as 2 days every month. They might not be able to go to school.
'Cause we all need love. We all need love.
With a common interest and a common goal to develop as much as we can the community of Epworth and the other marginalized communities.
And the question will be, then who are our friends? Anyone who's out there and who's willing to help us with anything. It might be a pair of sandals, it might be a pack of sanitary pads, it might be medical equipment we can use to distribute to our people who are doing home-based care in Epworth. Anything that you can help us with. You know, this reminds me about the parable that Jesus talks about, the parable of the Good Samaritan. And he asks a question, he says, so who is the friend? Who is your friend?
To all the people who are heeding the call to help and to give a hand, you know, this association, this organization is about friends helping other friends in need.
That girl in the street, she needs some love.
Thank you very much. And to other calls that we shall make, other calls that we have made, the door is still open. You can come and express your area of strength, anything that you can help, either cash, kind, expertise, ideas, or anything. Nothing is too small. That will go a very long way.
Winners as Jesus.